With Speech, creating video training, tutorials, and video SOPs is quick and simple. No professional experience required. Our platform is super easy to use. In just a few clicks, you can create a speech, a chaptered multimedia knowledge capsule designed for bite-sized learning. Each speech can include videos, documents, quizzes, simulations, and more, all structured in easy-to-follow steps with automatic subtitles and audio translation. Once you have creating your training plan, in each section, you can record your screen, add voice commentary, use your webcam, or create slides. Editing is a breeze. Cut unwanted parts, add annotations, and enhance your videos with text, images, and links. Make your training interactive with quizzes and surveys. All the tools you need are in one place. No additional software required. Don't want to record your voice or appear on camera? No problem. Speach AI can generate a professional voiceover from text, or you can use our avatar tool to present your slides for you. Once your video training is complete, you can publish it instantly, or send it for review and validation. Share it with a QR code, a link, or embed it directly into your LMS or communication tools. Our statistics dashboard tracks every detail: views, watch time, quiz completion, certificates delivered, and more, giving you insights into engagement and performance. Ready to transform your existing guides and procedures into short interactive microlearning? Ask for a demo at contact@speach.me.